In the quiet town of Willow Creek, there lived a 12-year-old prodigy named Alex Thompson. From a young age, Alex was fascinated by technology. While other kids were playing video games or riding bikes, Alex could often be found tinkering with old gadgets and piecing together circuit boards. One day, while exploring the attic, Alex stumbled upon an old box of electronics belonging to their late grandfather, a retired engineer. Among the dusty components, Alex found an assortment of microchips, sensors, and a tattered notebook filled with schematics and handwritten equations. The notebook was filled with ideas for robots and drones, many of which were incomplete or only half realized. Inspired, Alex decided to embark on a mission to bring one of these projects to life. With determination and the help of online tutorials and local library books, Alex began working on a small drone prototype. The drone was designed to be more than just a flying gadget. It would be equipped with a camera and sensors capable of detecting obstacles and mapping environments. Alex spent weeks in the garage, soldering wires and programming code. The nights were long, with Alex's parents often finding their child asleep at the workbench surrounded by tools and parts. But Alex's dedication paid off when, after many trials and errors, the drone finally lifted off the ground. However, Alex wasn't content with just creating a functional drone. They wanted to make a significant impact. The town of Willow Creek had a large, overgrown park that was often littered with trash and difficult to maintain. Alex envisioned a drone that could not only navigate the park but also help clean it up by collecting litter. With this new goal in mind, Alex redesigned the drone to include a small, lightweight net and a collection compartment. The drone's camera system was upgraded to include a sophisticated image recognition software that could identify and categorize different types of waste. The final challenge was to ensure the drone could navigate the park autonomously. The day came for Alex to showcase the drone to the community. At the local park, a crowd gathered to witness the demonstration. Alex's heart raced as the drone whirred to life and took off. The crowd watched in awe as the drone smoothly navigated through the park, using its sensors to avoid obstacles and its image recognition system to locate trash. When it found a piece of litter, the drone's net extended and gently scooped up the trash, depositing it into a collection compartment. The successful demonstration of the trash-collecting drone was met with cheers and applause. Alex's achievement wasn't just a technological milestone, it was a practical solution to a real-world problem. The town of Willow Creek adopted the drone as a part of their park maintenance program, and Alex received accolades from the mayor and local environmental groups. In the months that followed, Alex continued to innovate, developing new robots and drones for various purposes, from helping farmers monitor their crops to assisting in search and rescue missions. Each new project was inspired by a desire to solve problems and make a difference. Alex's story became a local legend, not just for the technological breakthrough but for the spirit of curiosity, perseverance, and the drive to use one's talents for the greater good. Through their work, Alex showed that even at a young age, one could achieve great things and leave a lasting impact on the world. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching.